Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. The problem number 141. How to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a square pyramid of 35 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So to solve this problem, you just come down to this, and so this is the final solution. So you need to write this by using AutoCAD software. First we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and give the distance as 297. Take the cursor to the top side and give the distance as 210. And take the cursor to the left side and give 297 and say close it. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x now. Now we'll go for layer. So click on new layer, type the layer by name XY. Click on new layer, type the layer by name axis. Click on new, type the layer by name locus. Click on new, take the layer, type the layer front view. Again new, front view, and now you're going to get top view. Again you click on front view, space hidden. Then click on new, top view, space hidden. So once you do that, now we'll go for layer 0, which is 0.05. Then XY line should be of 0.13. Axis line again 0.05. Locus line will also have 0.05. And front view will be of 0.5. Top view will also be of 0.5. And front view hidden should be of 0.3. And the top view hidden should be of 0.3. Then we have the top view, which is in blue color. And front view hidden should also be red color. Then top view should be of blue color. And front view should be of red color. And then locus line should be of air. Then the axis line should be of magenta color. Then we have a axis line. You just come down to this, click on load, type C center and say OK. Again go to load, click on dash dot, which is the locus line, and then go to load, click on hidden, so type hidden and say OK. And then you want now on axis, you take center and say OK. So it will change this to center. The locus line will be of dash dot. You select that line type and say it will go to take dash dot. Then the front view should be of OK. It's a continuous line. And the top view is also be continuous. Front view hidden. You just come down to hidden. You click on this and you take top view hidden and you say hidden link type. Once you do that, now we'll go for a polygon command. Number of sides is 4. Take the edge option. You select some arbitrary point and take the distance as 35. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. And then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then you select this and go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you switch off the switch on the grid display. You just take this, then go to offset, take the distance as 60 mm. So here the height is given to be 60. Now you just click on this, then go to offset, take the distance as 60. So you select this and offset to the top side. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then draw intersection point of this and then intersection point of this. Then go to erase this, then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to break break this line till here. Then you select this, you select this, and you select this, and go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then we have, you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as axis line. So we're going to take it as 50. So once you do that, so you got the front view and top view. Now you want to copy this first position front view and rotate it by, just go to copy, you select this and copy this. You just go to copy, select this entire thing and copy it to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this, and then base point, you take intersection point of this, and you take the reference, specify an intersection point of this and intersection point of this, and then you keep it horizontal. Then go to move, select this entire thing and move it here. Now you just go to line command, draw a horizontal vertical line, and again you draw a vertical line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this line, and object to trim is this. Then go to line, take int of this, and which is that. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, you just go to line, take intersection point of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Now we need to arrange this. So to do that, you will just go to break, first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then go to break, first point, take intersection point of this and take at the rate. Then go to line, take intersection of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and int of this, and then intersection point of this. Then you just come down to line, int of this and take int of this. Then go to break this here. Everything has been done. Now here you just click on this and also you click on this. Then go to break this line, first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then similarly here. Now we need to consider all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So all these 4 plus 2, 6 lines are visible. So you just go to layer, make that as top view now. So then you just come down to here also, that line is also visible. Layer, you go to top view. So now we need to consider this line. So these two lines are the top view, layer, top view, hidden, and then the line type square factor is 20. So here you just click on this and click on this, go to layer, top view hidden, and take the distance as 10. So go to layer. So the layer of this top view hidden is okay. It was locked. So now you just go to layer. So you just click on this and you click on this and go to layer. You make it as 20 mm. So now you got the hidden line type. Then go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and change it to 10. So once you do that, now we go for line command. Draw a line from intersection point of this and then take it from intersection part of this and to intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. So now we have to go for DDIM, modify primary units up to second decimal point. Then you go to text, take the text height as 3, then align with the dimension line above and take the dimension as 3. Then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3 and then go to lines, so offset from the origin as 3. And then go to come down to text. So everything has been changed. So then say OK and say close. Now we need to go for dim. Dim, take intersection point of this and take int of this. So 57.60. Now we go for line, take nearest point on this at the rate 100 less than minus 135. So here the angle given is 45 degree. So then go to circle, nearest point on this, take the radius as 60. Then go to line, take int of this and then draw a horizontal line. So then you just break this and you also break this. Then go to erase this remaining arc. Then go to trim, select this at the cutting edge. So now you just go to circle, take center of this and take the radius as 57.6. Then go to break this circle here and you break this circle here. Then go to erase, then go to copy, select this entire thing, then go to intersection point of this and take center of this line. Then go to rotate, select this entire drawing, then go to base point, intersection of this, then go to rotate, select this entire drawing, then go to base point, take int of this, then just go to reference, take the reference angle as intersection part of this and take specify second point, you take end of this, then you take the new angle as int of this. So once you do that, you will going to get this line. Then go to break this line till here. You just click over this and then go to layer, make that layer as locus layer and give the distance as 5. So once you do that, you will going to get the locus. Then go to break this till here. Now we go for line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you just take int of this, then you take int of this. Then go to trim, select this at the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this to intersection part of this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and then intersection part of this. Then go to break this line. You just go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we need to go for line, take intersection of this and then join intersection of this. Now we have all the criteria. So all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, and when you look from the front view, this entire surface is visible. So obviously these two lines will be visible. Then go to layer, take the layer as front view, then you just click over this, click this as front view hidden and take the dimension as 15. Once you do that, now here you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and here you give the distance as 10. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. Now we need to go for other settings. So you just click on this, you click on this and you click on this and click on this. Go to layer, make that layer as XY. So once you do that, now we go for DDIM, click on modify. So here primary units, make it 0 and say OK and close. Now we go for dim, take int of this, take int of this. So here is, so dim, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So here it is become 35, then take int of this and take int of this. So here it becomes 60, then go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as 45 degrees. Then go to again angular, dim, select angular between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as extra, give space, enter. So now you're going to keep this here. Now we'll go for detext. So here you mark this as 3 and put the caps lock on. You take XVP and then HP and then here Y. So here you will going to get A, B, C and D. Here it is A dash and here it is D dash in bracket and here it is O dash and here it is O1 and here it is B dash and in bracket you write C dash and then here it is O and in bracket O1. So once you do that, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, so move it appropriately. X, you take VP, you take HP. So here you move this A and you move this B, you move this C, you move this D. So here you have O, here you have O1. So once you do that, now we go for, so here you just go to move, O dash, then A dash, then D dash, then it is O1 dash, then we have B dash, then we have C dash here. So now we just select these points and change it to layer, make it as front view, sorry, top view. So once you do that, you just click on this, O1 dash, O dash, D dash, A dash and VP. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. So once you do that, now we have the copy this B dash here and also C dash here. Then you copy this O1 dash here and then you copy this A dash here and you copy this D dash. Then we have copy, you have O, then we have B, you have A, then we have O1, then we have C, then we have D. So here you have since ABCD is totally visible, so it becomes O1 becomes visible. Then once you do that, now you just copy this entire thing here, O, then A, then B, then C, then D, then O1. So once you do that, now we go for D text. So here it is O dash, O dash. So then we have B dash, then we have C dash, then we have O1 dash, O1 dash. Here it is A dash, here it is D dash. Once you do that, then you just come down to move, select objects, you select this, and here it should be A dash, here it should be D dash, here it should be O1 dash, here it should be C dash, and here it should be B dash. Now once you do that, now you just click on these endpoints of this text. And you'll come down to layer, make that layer as front view. So now we have everything has been done. You just click on this. Here also it is XY. So here it is XY. Here also XY. Here also XY. So this is how you will be able to finish the drawing, and then you just come down to this, then go to M text. You select this and you come down to formatting, go to symbol, type small letter B, beta. Now you just go to dim TED. So you just drag this. So you just drag this also. So then you just move beta, you copy this here, then go to zoom previous. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using AutoCAD software. So this is the final solution. Thank you.